Here's how to delete your Gmail account on your phone. Now on your iPhone or Android, open up a web browser and go to google.com. At the very top right here, you'll see your profile. So just tap on your profile icon and make sure you're logged into the correct Gmail account that you wanted to delete your account. Of course, we don't want to delete the wrong one. If you are on the wrong one, tap on show more accounts and then just switch it here. Now, after we've done that, first you probably want to download all of your emails and then we can delete Gmail. So tap on manage your Google account and then data and privacy. From here, you'll be able to get through the process of downloading all of those emails again to your iPhone, Android, or a computer if you're on one. And then from there, we can delete just your Gmail or your entire Google account. So let's scroll down from here and tap on where it says download your data. You'll be able to see it says Google Takeout, and I'm going to choose deselect all. And then I'm going to just scroll down until I get to mail on this list. So it's not Gmail or email, it's at mail. So just tap on it and go through the process of downloading it. At the very bottom, just tap on next step and download it. After we've downloaded all those emails, we can delete just your Gmail, or you can choose to delete your entire Google account, depending on your preference. Let's hit the back button here, and then we'll scroll down until we get to delete a Google service. This will allow us to just delete Gmail. Let's enter the passcode in for our email here. And then after we've done that, you can see there is Gmail. All I need to do is hit the trash can icon, and it says how to continue to use your other Google services like these other ones. Basically, you need to enter in a different email address. So just tap on it and enter in a different recovery email address here, and then hit send verification email and go through the process of deleting that Gmail just for this Google account.